Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Remote Genius. Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best remote jobs you can apply for in 2024. Whether you're looking to work from home full-time or part-time, you're in the right place. So if you're ready to discover the incredible possibilities awaiting you in 2024, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around until the end, because I'll be giving you guys a tip on how you can earn even more with these opportunities. Okay, let's jump right in. The first website we're going to be taking a look at is Appen. Appen is a website that pays you for doing different tasks or projects. It is worldwide. As you can see, this person is from the United States, this person is from the Philippines, this person is from Mexico, and this person is from Greece. You can apply to multiple projects and work on your own schedule. But keep in mind that some of the projects do require a certain amount of hours or might have other requirements. Examples of some projects might be being an online mystery shopper, evaluating search results, evaluating online ads, classifying and annotating videos, images, and texts. With Appen, you get flexible hours. You can work from anywhere. There's competitive pay. There's user-friendly guides and practice quizzes to help you pass tests you might have to take. And you'll be getting into AI work, but don't worry, you don't need any technical experience. How much you earn really depends on how much time you put in, and how much the project you apply for is paying. There are people doing this part-time and making some really good money. So if you already have a full-time job, this is something you can do when you're not at work, and if you don't have a full-time job, then this is a great way to start earning an income online. Appen pays in US dollars, and the payments are sent through Payoneer. So if you don't have a Payoneer account, you'll need to get one, and then link it to your Appen Connect profile after you apply. I'll leave a link to Appen down below so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. The second website we're going to be taking a look at is Data Annotation. Just like Appen, Data Annotation pays you for doing tasks. As of right now, they're accepting people from the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia. If you're outside of these countries, you're still welcome to make an account, and they will send you an email when they are accepting people from your country. You do need to take a starter assessment before you can start earning. They offer free training, flexible hours, you can work from anywhere. You get to choose your projects. And just like Appen, you'll be getting into AI work and you do not need any AI experience. While no experience is needed, they are seeking individuals who have excellent writing and critical reasoning abilities, and are detail-oriented, creative, and self-motivated. Work is available 24/7, so if you want to work at night or on weekends because you're busy throughout the day, then this is a great opportunity for you because you can choose when to work and how much to work. When it comes to getting paid, you can start earning from $20 an hour upwards. I'll leave a link to Data Annotation down below. The third website we're going to be taking a look at is 3Play Media. With 3Play Media, you can apply for 3 different jobs. You can apply to be an English transcriptionist, an English voice writer. And if you know Spanish, and you're good at it, you can apply to be a Spanish transcriptionist. As an English transcriptionist, you will be transcribing audio and editing imperfect transcriptions using their proprietary internet-based software application. To apply to be an English transcriptionist, you're required to have excellent written communication skills, excellent command of English grammar and punctuation, proficiency with internet research and reference resources, the ability to manage projects, work independently, and closely follow instructions, and you must be at least 18 years old. As a Spanish transcriptionist, you will be transcribing the audio of videos. To apply to be a Spanish transcriptionist, it's pretty much the same thing as an English transcriptionist, but you're required to be good with spelling and grammar in the Spanish language. As an English voice writer, you will be producing real-time captions for live events by re-speaking into their free, web-based, simple-to-use software. To apply to be an English voice writer, you're required to have access to a headset, computer, and strong internet connection, excellent verbal communication, listening skills, and a clear, consistent speaking voice. Sitting or standing comfortably for the duration of an event that can be up to 90 minutes long. You must be able to multitask between listening, speaking, and typing. You must be able to manage projects, work independently, and closely follow instructions. And you must complete a background check before starting to work. According to Glassdoor, 3Play Media transcriptionists can earn anywhere from $18 to $30 an hour. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go check out their website. The fourth job we're going to be taking a look at is Happy Scribe. With Happy Scribe, You will be a freelancer doing jobs as a transcriptionist or as a subtitler. You will have access to a wide range of audio files, and you can preview and choose to work on the jobs that best suit you. Your job will be listening carefully to the audio and proofreading the subtitles generated by AI. If you're working with a subtitle file, you will also have to synchronize the subtitles with the audio and improve the subtitle breaks for optimal readability. This job does allow you to work anywhere in the world as long as you have a really good internet connection and a quiet space to work. An average transcriber or subtitler earns around €450 per month, but if you're really active, you can expect to earn up to €3,000 per month, depending on the language you choose to subtitle or transcribe, the availability of the job, and how much time you can dedicate to doing it. The two payment methods they use are Wise and Payoneer. After signing up, you will be required to take a skill test by having to proofread a transcript of a sample file. You will have to follow the transcription guidelines that they provide for you, and you will be allowed to check them during the test. After, they will review your application, and if they feel you're a good fit, they will reach out to you by email. I'll leave a link to their website down below. The last job we're going to be taking a look at is daily transcription. At daily transcription, they are looking for work-from-home individuals. You can be a stay-at-home mom, dad, a student, a part-time worker, pretty much anyone who wants to supplement their income. You must be a highly detailed individual who is committed to perfection and is able to meet strict deadlines. They have a bunch of positions you can apply for, but you will be expected to pass a skills assessment. The positions you can apply for right now include general transcription, AI editor, medical transcriber, subtitler and captioner, legal transcriber, general transcriber in Spanish, AS broadcast list transcriber, combined continuity and spotting list transcriber, and dialogue transcriber. These positions are only available to those located in the US, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. I'll leave a link below so you guys can check out all the positions, but we'll be taking a look at general transcription. They do have some strict requirements. You must be able to type at least 50 words per minute, have strong listening and typing abilities, attention to detail, ability to work independently, be good with your time management, proficient in using transcription software, ability to insert time codes, ability to proofread your own work, ability to follow guidelines and formats, and ability to take constructive criticism from their QC team and make changes in the time requested. You work 10 to 30 hours per week, and you can make anywhere from $45 to $66 per hour of material, and you need 1 to 2 years of experience. They will only accept your test if you meet their standards or you're a course graduate. They seem to have a paid course teaching you the skills you need for the job. So if you don't meet their requirements right now, by taking and graduating the course, you should meet the requirements to apply. After completing the application, they will send you an email with instructions. Make sure to check your spam folder. Okay. Now let's talk about that bonus tip I mentioned earlier. Let's say you guys applied for one of these jobs, and you're a beginner, but you got accepted, and now you've been doing this job for a few months. While doing the job, you learn new skills, and you become really good at it. Plus, you now have the experience. So, how can you use that to earn even more? By coming to websites like Fiverr, where you can work as a freelancer by offering your services to those that are in need of it. Let's take transcription, for example. These are all people offering their transcription services and earning a lot from doing so. You can combine working a job we've mentioned in this video with offering your services on Fiverr to maximize your earnings. You can start by offering your services at a low price, so you can get some reviews and then increase the price later on. You can also offer a basic, standard, and premium package, having the standard and premium packages at a higher price. If you guys want me to dive deeper into this, leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful and you are ready to start applying for some of these positions, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming opportunities. When it comes to making money online, it doesn't get any easier than getting paid to chat with others, so watch the video on screen and see exactly how you can do that. See you in the next video.